Whether you are selling directly to a consumer or to another company, one thing is certain. Users want an intuitive, easy-to-navigate experience. Our personal lives have drove our professional expectations, but that doesn't mean that B2B and B2C experiences are converging. While there are aspects of B2C e-commerce that enhance the B2B customer experience, B2B is a creature of its own, and there are many more points of divergence. In B2C, the customer experience is one-to-many, but B2B buying scenarios are complex and customized and vary by industry, product, company size, and business operation. The nature of B2B means that businesses can be both customers and sellers. While a B2C transaction usually includes just one seller, one buyer, and one payment type, B2B transactions involve any combination of built-to accounts. The many-to-many relationships in B2B create complex customer interactions that B2C transactions don't have to take into account. The ability of a typical B2B buyer to buy impulsively or respond to a digitally motivated desire almost never exists. B2C is built on the impulse buy. B2B buyers are buying for business needs. In the world of B2C, conversion is king. B2C companies spend millions on increasing and optimizing conversions. Capabilities like merchandising and shopping analytics that work well to motivate the individual consumer are unnecessary and even burdensome in B2B. In B2B, factors beyond service have an impact on the B2B buying cycle. Things like negotiated pricing and preferred vendor status for procurement are those major drivers. Each of these unique differentiators drive buyer loyalty based on experience. Finally, the underlying purpose of B2B e-commerce is entirely different than B2C. The largest opportunity in B2B e-commerce is efficiency, not necessarily additional sales. B2C e-commerce is about maximizing the purchases of each individual customer. An e-commerce engine built specifically for B2B must accelerate the productivity of every single person involved in the buying experience. Insite is focused on providing digital commerce solutions specifically architected for manufacturers and distributors. To learn more about the convergence of B2B and B2C experiences, check out our white paper or give one of our experts a call. Thanks for watching.